So I've got a Mansfield toilet here and the water's just running and running. Tank's not filling up. And the culprit is this blue part down here. It has gotten deformed and it's letting water pass by. So I went to the store, got myself a universal flapper, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this changed out. So I thought I would just easily slip this off, but the rubber has gotten so tough over the years that it is no longer flexible. So what I did was I came in here with a tin snip and just kind of carefully cut that off. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and hopefully I can slip that off. Okay, got it off. Now I'm just gonna unhook my chain here. We'll get the new one installed. Since this is a universal type one, I need to adjust the amount of water flow that goes inside this. So in my case, I have a Mansfield 3147, which means I gotta set it to 4. So if we come over on here, it's going to be the triangle, and it corresponds with these numbers. A little difficult one-handed, but got my arrow set to 4, and we should be ready to install. Okay, now should be the easy part, just getting this thing clipped in place. That side. Alright, clipped in. Now we're going to hook up the chain. Let's get this water turned on and see if she's holding water. Okay, it filled up. No more running toilet. The only thing I did was I adjusted the chain so that there's minimal slack. Give her a flush. Works perfectly. Quick, easy fix.